Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is the AWS Zero to Master series, and in the previous session we learned about how we can connect our AWS EC2 Linux instance on the Windows-based platform using PuTTY and command line interface. So now what we are going to do, we are going to be see the way how we can connect our EC2 Linux instance in the other Linux machine. So basically, like the just recall that previous session, we saw about what are the ways we can connect our Linux instance from the outside world, and we have been demonstrated in the two session for that SSH using the Cloud Shell and Windows command prompt and PuTTY. So now what we are going to do, we are going to be take a SSH into our Linux EC2 instance using the one of our existing Linux machine. So before wasting the time, let's get started. So I'll just quickly jump into that console. So basically, here where I'm just going to be launch one more instance to connect our using the SSH. So to do that, I'm just launching instance to SSH. So I'm going to use that Amazon Linux as a AMI and T2 micro as that instance type. And here I'm going to be create a key pair called keygen, and the format is going to be I'm use that PEM. This will be support for that Linux. So create a keypair. So apart from that, I'm just going to be select the existing security group, and I'm just using the default one. This is the security group I'm going to be using. So just click on the launch. Okay, let us wait for 1 minute to up and run that the EC2 instance. So before that, be sure about our like a security group, whether the SSH port has been enabled or not. So what happens in my existing security group, it is allowing that all the uh, all the port and all the traffic. Instead of that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be allow only that inbound with that SSH instead of all port, since we can restrict our that traffic. So SSH and allow. Okay, so custom open network. So save rule. So basically, if you click on that instance, it's up and running. So what we need to be do first, we need to be take our instance IP address. So using the instance IP address, we will try to connect our instance from the another in like Linux instance. So before that, what we need to be do, we need to be import our existing keygen to the Linux machine so that only we can authenticate using the keygen. So to import let me open the file, downloads. So this is the keygen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be edit that keygen using the notepad. So I'm going to be copy those keygen, and I'm going to be onboard into the one of the Linux. So to do that, I have a existing. mm, In fact, I'm just opening that. So this is the one of the Linux machine. One sec, my screen is stuck. I just proceed that unwanted window down. Okay, so okay. So this is the Linux instance. Basically, I'm just logged in using the PuTTY. So if you can see like I just logged in that one of the Linux instance which is deployed on the another region. So basically here only we are going to be connect our EC2 instance. So to connect before that, just to create a key pair and with the extension of PEM, and using the VA editor, I'm just doing just paste it. So Oops, that was not copied. Let me copy again. Yeah, this is the key. Like basically, we are going to be used to connect our Linux EC2 instance. So just to save it using the escape, it's colon and W2. So like as I mentioned earlier, like once we onboard our key pair, we need to be like restrict the access. We need to be give the minimal access only. Otherwise, it will not connect. If you can try to connect using that SSH-I and E to EC2 user at the IP address is like 13. So if you are connecting like without changing that the permission, it will not work. The reason like the permission is too like open, so obviously it will block. So what we need to be do, we need to be first to change the permission using the CH mode, and the permission should be below 600 and the file name. So now you can see like if you are doing the LTR, you can see that permission has been changed. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be do the same method SSH-I with a key, and we are going to be connect. So now you can see the connection has been established, and if I can check checking on the IP address of the EC2 instance, it will be like showing our current instance what we have been deployed on the Linux, sorry, the AWS console. So this is the way we can uh, like connect our Linux instance using the one of the another Linux machine. So that's all about the session. In the upcoming session, we will try to cover that session manager and that Windows machine how we can connect. So thanks for watching the channel once again, and we'll see you in the upcoming session.